Welcome to AI for ELT, Empowering Educators Through Hands-on Peer Learning, featuring Dr. Nellie Deutsch. This video is part of the EduCast International Conferences, focusing on global classrooms, rethinking what we teach in 2026 and beyond. Dr. Nellie Deutsch is an experienced teacher-educator who has applied computer-assisted language learning, or CAL, since 1992. She founded online professional development programs for educators, focusing on integrating emerging technologies and AI through learner autonomy and peer-based learning. Let's get started with the video. Our agenda covers the problem of lack of experience with AI, hands-on activities, peer learning and critical thinking, key takeaways from the AI for ELT course, outcomes and rewards from our sponsors. Eleanor Roosevelt said, "You must do the things you think you cannot do." What do you want to do as a teacher that you think you cannot? Because teachers have little to no experience with AI in ELT, they claim they don't trust it, it is too confusing, they are scared of it, it makes them nervous, they fear it will take their jobs. The problem is lack of experience. They fear AI tools, think it's dangerous, has no heart, hallucinates. They fear they will lose control. The core problem is the lack of experience, which leads to fear, distrust, and concerns about AI being dangerous, lacking, quote, heart, producing hallucinations, and causing a loss of control or erroneous conclusions. Our solution centers on hands-on peer learning. Some of the tools used in the course AI for ELT are the following: AI for ELT, UPDF, Canva AI, Character AI, TESOL, Online, with AI, Co-Assemble, Colossian, Ed Cafe, 11 Labs, Gamma, Lovable, Mizzou, Notebook LM, ProProfs, QuizGecko, Wayground, Riffbot AI, Teachy, VoxDeck, UWare. The teachers created AI-generated activities, such as role plays and reflection activities, using AI bots. We explore various AI tools for activities such as introduction, using a cloned voice and avatar based on a photo of us, screen recorder, course planning, course creation, lesson activity, presentation of LA, create quiz, interactive presentation, Shabbat activity, podcast activity, reflection activity, role play activity, create audio agent, create app, summarize posts, interactive video, clone voice. Teachers are excited after taking the course and claim they love AI in their lessons. AI tools saved them time, it's a game changer, it's amazing, and AI for LT was a fantastic course. The outcome is embracing AI as a learning tool. This leads to critical thinking, empowerment, increased creativity, and more engaged, empathetic teachers who lead the way with joy and effectiveness. Teachers learned many things related to teaching online. The platform used was Moodle Learning Management System, which was perfect for engagement, peer learning, and community building. Teachers learned the following: how to embed videos using embed code HTML. They learned how to use Generico to embed Google Docs and Google Videos. They learned how to upload the videos files to Google Drive, share as viewable by anyone with link. They also learned how to change the URL of the link from view to preview, so they and the other participants could view the videos straight from the course instead of going elsewhere to view it. They learned to embed Colossian in the HTML area, or source code in the Moodle editor. They also learned to set links to open in new windows. And finally, they learned the importance of clearing browsing data, empowering educators through hands-on peer learning. Teachers were amazed by the AI tools and shared the work they had done with the bots proudly. The methods of learning included creating walkthrough videos for each of the activities. Participants watched each other's videos, compared the tools, and replied to each. They mentioned the importance of peer learning and critical thinking as important aspects of the course. There were a few incentives to complete the free 4-week online course that some completed in 2.5 weeks. The incentives included wanting to stay up with their peers, get their final variable certificate and ongoing weekly digital coded badges, and qualify for the raffle and giveaways. The teachers were empowered by AI for ELT. They felt it gave them confidence, transformed their teaching, and felt AI was a game changer. I would like to congratulate all the teachers who completed AI for ELT. They are truly caring lifelong learners. Some of the feedback and reflections from the participants were, looking back at my chat with the Riffbot, I'm amazed at how much my perspective has shifted. I started this course worried that I would be destructive and take the human heart out of teaching. Now, I see it as my digital pulse. I'm walking away ready to embrace AI, not as a shortcut, but as a way to be a more creative and empathetic teacher. A comment by one of the teachers who took AI for English language teaching: participating in the AI for English language teaching course has been an inspiring journey into the future of education. Dr. Nellie creates a unique learning environment that doesn't just teach you how to use tools, but why they matter in a global pedagogical context. Her expertise and passion for integrating technology with human empathy are evident in every module. What stands out most about Dr. Nellie's approach is her commitment to accessibility and empowerment. She demystifies complex AI concepts, making them approachable for educators across all fields, including specialized areas like my own in radiology. This course serves as a vital reminder that while technology evolves rapidly, the guidance of a dedicated mentor is what truly helps us navigate that change ethically and effectively. I am deeply grateful for the insights and the community Dr. Nellie has built through this program. Another comment by a participant: Dear Dr. Nellie, thank you so much for your incredibly thoughtful and validating feedback. I am truly touched by your observation regarding the professional evolution I've experienced. This course has allowed me to see that my identity as a radiologist and my role as a digital educator are not separate, but deeply integrated. Your point about the empowering message of no-code platforms really resonates with me. Before this course, I wasn't sure how to bridge the gap between complex imaging physics and accessible ELT instruction, but tools like Mizzou and CoAssemble have made that design process intentional rather than random. I especially appreciate your comments on the importance of clinical reasoning over technological dependence. Keeping the human connection and ethical clarity at the heart of radiology is my primary goal. I am proud to step into this new identity as a digital educator who prioritizes disciplinary accuracy and human-centered care. Your mentorship has been instrumental in helping me move from experimentation to purposeful instructional design. I feel empowered to use these living teaching tools to support my students, and am deeply grateful for the vision you've shared throughout this journey. Teachers are caring lifelong learners. Awareness and critical thinking about the use of AI are very important. Having discussion in the classroom about the fears of AI to get students thinking critically about best practices. One participant shared that they shifted their view of AI from destructive to their digital pulse, ready to embrace it for becoming a more creative and empathetic teacher. My takeaways as a course developer and teacher are that teachers who start the course love it, but how do I get teachers who enroll in the course to start it? To make matters worse, they never even view the course contents or reply to my emails for support. This has been a question that I have been asking for quite some time. Is it because the course is free and they never intended to take it in the first place, or is it something else? I would love your input on this. Please add your thoughts on this in the comment box below. You're invited to take the next upcoming AI for ELT course. Let's connect on my YouTube channel, Integrating Technology, where you can take free online professional development courses to learning together and continue the conversation.